And it's finally here. How to Robostep like a fucking god, D-Jahsta. Coming up. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Skedda once again. And as you see, very close to 300 fucking subscribers. Thank you guys, all of you, for subscribing to this channel. And if you are new on this channel, please subscribe, become part of this family. I mean, why not? Almost every week I make a new video and I do as much as I can to please you guys. So today we're gonna see together how to Robostep like a god, the D-Jahsta edition. As I said, I promise you it's gonna be dope, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna get a few ideas out of it, okay? It's not gonna be exactly the same, you know what I mean, but don't worry guys, I'm here, okay? So without further talking, let's just start it. So guys, as always, I'm gonna start by showing you the final result, and then one by one we're gonna see together all the channels. Up. Okay, so let's start with the basics. Let's start with the drums. What I have here, I have a Dubstep kick. Oh my god. And it's distorted as fuck. Using a little bit of amplifier, a little bit of EQ, we have a nice distorted kick. After that, a Dubstep snare, and then a few cymatics crash, nothing. And also this one. And all together, okay, now I'm gonna show you the intro. I used Contact for this one, I loved it. I mean, I seen a lot of like that's a folder, okay. I mean, I see a lot of in a lot of D-Jahsta tracks, his intros usually sound a little bit like Dubstep. I mean, he does that, and it's dope, of course. This is the Contact 5, Voices of Rapture. If you don't have it, guys, it's dope for you. Just a typical cymatics riser with a white noise. And here's one of the vocals from my sample pack. Darkness is coming. I love it. And a small sweep for the transition. It's really important to use sweeps for the transition. And now guys, let's go inside the drop. What I have inside the drop. First of all, I have a dark ambient texture from my sample pack. I've said this before, I use it in almost every track, every situation. For me it's working. I don't know for you, but it's the perfect background noise you usually need in order to make your track sound fuller, okay? So, a dark ambient texture, I don't use the sounds. This is our first sound, a sample that I made. Something very, very distorted and it sounds dope, okay? Just a little bit of EQ, but today is not about the EQ. I don't use these two sounds, I just want to see what I did there. Also, the next sound, the D-Jahsta sound. I had to watch a few tutorials on YouTube on how to make a sound like this, because I don't know for you guys, to me it was difficult. It wasn't a simple sound that you can make. I don't know if there is an easy way to make it, but I found a few videos, I watched it, and then I tried to make something a little bit different from the others, but it's almost identically the same. Two wavetables, high pass EQ, LFO, envelope, a noise, dimension, distortion, phaser, EQ, filter, bandpass 12, compressor, multiband, and delay. Delay is very important for this sound. I hope you understand why. After that, what I did here, I took that sound, I sampled it, and then I made something that I couldn't make with MIDI notes, of course. Always try to sample your MIDI notes, your sound from a MIDI, you know, and then make a few different things, you know. So, after that, Skedda machine gun, okay? Machine guns, it's something that D-Jahsta usually uses in his tracks, and on this one I used a little bit of simple delay for the robo effect. I know you'll listen to the difference, okay? Yeah. And after that, also I put the had this on the background. I know it sounds like crap right now, but when you have it inside the track, look how it sounds, guys. And with this also, what notes do I have here? F, F sharp, and C. And also the contact, I think this is a brush. Yes, Adventure brush, guys, it's dope. I promise it's dope. There are a lot of things you can do if you use the right effects on this sound. I mean, check this out. The amplifier. You can make something really dark with this if you put the right distortion, the right amount of distortion. So, and guys, yeah, I think I showed you all the sounds. I know it wasn't big, it was just a small, yeah, today's video was a little bit small, but I don't know, I hope you liked it, guys, and I hope that I gave you a few ideas. Also, don't forget, in the description I'm gonna have download link for free download, of course, for the sample pack that has these vocals inside. The machine guns also. Okay, don't forget, link in the description. You can download any of these for free, guys, because I love you. Why not? Guys, that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, guys, okay? I really hope you enjoyed this video. Did you enjoy it? No? Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment down below. I really love to read your comments, guys. I'll connect with you, you know me. Okay? See you next time.